Phonics Teach. Hello, little learners. Today, we will learn vowel short and long sounds. We all know there are 5 vowels in English, right? They are A, E, I, O, U. But do you know that these vowels have 2 different sounds? Yes, one is the short sound and the other is the long sound. Let's find out what they are. Let's start with the letter A. A says A, apple. A says A, cake. Now the letter E. E says pen. E says E, tree. The letter I. I says fish. I says I, kite. The letter O. O says dog. O says O, rose. The letter U. U says cup. U says U, cube. See, children? Short sounds are quick. Long sounds stretch the sound. Short sound, quick and fast. Long sound, make it last. See you again, little learners. Bye-bye. Subscribe the more video.